Hi, it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. So I'm back from Australia and I do have some goodies to show. So I have some diamond paintings that have arrived while I've been away. I have some diamond paintings that I picked up in Australia and also some other crafty goodies that I've picked up in Australia. So you will find all sorts of videos coming up over the next few weeks. So first things first, I had ordered a 2 set of DPF paintings of sort of a black and white scene with a pop of red. Now if you've seen my other videos, I ordered 2 together. On the first video I opened up what I thought was both diamond paintings and it turned out to be one of them. So I got in contact with the seller. They sent me the second diamond painting, and this was the back of the canvas I got for that one. And they are sort of puckers in the canvas galore. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but they are not workable. Like, I cannot get these out of the canvas for love nor money. So I messaged the seller again and sent them pictures, and this is the replacement. So let's see how this one looks. This is the latch stitch chance for this company, so let's see how this canvas has turned out. So we do just have the canvas. Now there wasn't anything wrong with the drills, so that in itself is fine. And we're all wrapped up in this tape stuff again. So let's get rid of that. So it is the right picture. Good start. And this is just where the thing puckers up as I unroll it, but that's only the paper on the top. That does not affect the canvas on the bottom. So let's just, they're quite tightly packed around these foam cores. I mean, they travel loads better when they're on a foam core, but by Jove, do they pack them tight. So let me pull this one out. So you can see I am getting sort of creases in the top paper. That's fine. That is from me unrolling it. So let me pull this back and try and get this one flat. And I must say, so far, I mean, I haven't looked at the back of the canvas, but so far we are looking so much better. So you can hear it pull when it catches the sort of little crease that's occurred after I've unrolled it. But as I say, those are fine because I know I've only just caused them. Those will come out. It's the ones in the back of the canvas where the canvas has been creased before the glue's gone on, if that makes sense. It's those when they're puckered up. If they're near the edge of the canvas, quite often you can get them out. But if they're in the middle, you've not got anywhere near as much chance. Okay, now I'm already seeing, I'm not sure if it can be seen on camera, but I am already seeing one pucker there. I think the light's picking that one up. But let's get this flattened out first, and then I will have a look at fixing that one. It is by the edge, which is loads better. So if I turn it over, you can see on this canvas there is one here. I'm not sure if you can even see it. So there is one there in the middle, and there is one here by the edge. Hopefully I'll be able to fix that. You would think if a company is sending out a replacement due to it being damaged, they would actually check it before they resent it. Would you not think? So I just score down the river and score down there and see if we can get that to flatten out. It's looking a lot better. I wouldn't say it's ideal, but it's definitely looking better. It feels flatter. I'll turn that over. That one is better and a lot more workable. Let's see what this one is like in the middle. This is just where, if they don't go, you have a problem with the drills popping up, and it's not the normal Hurricane popping up drills issue. Not sure about that one in the middle. But I've flattened it down somewhat. I will keep working on that one and see if I can get that out. If not, I will contact the seller again. But in my opinion, considering I haven't even done this diamond painting yet, DPF is off my list. It might be cheap, and if you don't mind messing with stuff, with canvases and fixing things that have happened in manufacturing, it's not like this has happened in the mail, this has happened in the manufacturing process. If you don't mind messing with stuff before you can start diamond painting, then by all means, this company is good value for money. Well, not value for money, no, this company's cheap. That's the better way of saying it. But yeah, I think I'm done with this company. But there you go, that's the picture. It is a nice picture. It was supposed to be for my mum to do in Australia. However, by the time I have received the third one, I am back from Australia. So that's not really going to be practical to send it over there now. It'd probably cost me more than it cost in the first place. But yeah, that's my replacement. Still slightly dodgy diamond painting from DPF, though it's better than the last one. And if I'd have received this first, I would have taken it to Australia with me and we'd seen how we go. At the moment, I'm still going to work on it and see if I can make it work. But yeah, that is my replacement canvas for my even more creased. There we go, you can probably see the creases there compared to a couple on that one that are puckered up, but that one was far too many and far too many in the middle to work with. But yeah, that's my replacement. To show you the image, if I can get this to go all the way back, that is the image, which is a London telephone box and the Elizabeth Tower in the background, along with what I think is a bus. And from the top, that's it. The symbols are really clear. The key is really nice. It's just their quality of the people who stick the glue on, or indeed the canvas as they're going to stick the glue on, is not that hot. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll get some of my other diamond paintings unboxed and get those up so that you can see what those look like too. Thanks for watching. Speak to you all again soon.